guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to do an anti-haul. You guys know what haul is, right? So I don't have to tell you what haul is. Like, you basically see the influencer buy a lot of things and then they'll explain to you guys all the stuff that they buy. So a haul is basically like, you know, buying stuff, but anti-haul is the opposite of that, which is not buying something. So in this video, I'm actually just going to have this list of anti-haul, list of products that I will never ever gonna buy. I'm making this video because I noticed that you know, in the beauty industry, a lot of the times we are encouraged to buy buy a lot of stuff, you know, but actually you don't really need like a lot of stuff that people recommend you. Of course, you kind of have to take a look at yourself. Like, if let's say you have certain condition and you do need that particular product, then it's worth to try. But if let's say you don't have any reason to buy, well, don't buy it. we have all these problems. I think a lot of us have this problem where our shelf is full of stuff, and I used to be that way too. I mean, I still kind of have it, but not as bad as it used to be, because I do remember like back then, you know, I was like really new in like this beauty stuff, and then I watch a lot of like beauty gurus, and then they recommend me to buy ABCDE, everything, but I really don't take it into the account that I'm not a beauty influencer, I'm not a content creator, and so I don't need that much makeup actually. So anyway, let's just go straight to the content. The first stuff that I will never ever gonna buy is eyebrow cake, eyebrow gel. You know, like eyebrow stuff that is like put in a pot or on a pan that you use brush to like kind of stroke it out. The reason why I don't want to buy it is because it's always marketed as something like a professional kind of eyebrow stuff. But in my opinion, like, this is again just my opinion, I feel like eyebrow is something that's very easy to do. Like, it's probably the easiest makeup to do, of course after lipstick. Like lipstick is very easy. Like, I think almost anyone can use lipstick, right? But for our eyebrow, it's actually very easy. But it's just that a lot of people telling you that you need like this kind of advanced eyebrow cake or eyebrow gel to draw your eyebrow, and it's actually not that complicated. And most of the time, I do feel like, you know, when we start to overcomplicate something, we tend to make it worse. To me, an eyebrow pen is simple. A eyebrow pen is very simple. You can carry it everywhere you go. You don't need to carry like that one pen and the brush to just for your eyebrow only. To me, like eyebrow pencil, you know, anything that has like a stick figure, I think that's enough, you know. Sometimes like eyebrow mascara too, like that's pretty good too. So I do feel like you really don't need like those kind of like eyebrow cake or gel. Again, just my opinion. In my opinion, like, your eyebrow is basically should just be a good frame, like just a good frame. That's all. It should not overpower anything on your face. It should not be the center of attention, because if people are to focus on my eyebrow, then hello, my eyes are down here. Anyway, so the next one is definitely, this is like truly my biggest regret, is eyeshadow palette. I used to be that kind of person who is like, eyeshadow palette this, eyeshadow palette that. Like, everyone keeps saying that stuff, like, and then like eyeshadow palette is always like there's this new stuff coming up, and it's like one of those people that's like, oh my god, there's this new eyeshadow palette, I gotta go buy it. Oh, there's this new eyeshadow palette, I gotta go buy it, I gotta get it. Like, a lot of people will say this is like a game changer, this is like the only eyeshadow palette you need. But obviously that's a lie, because like few weeks later they recommend you another eyeshadow palette. So yeah, eyeshadow, I will never ever gonna buy eyeshadow palette ever again, because I have actually, like, up until now, I have like 2 eyeshadow palettes sitting on my shelf. I think they have expired. I think they have expired, you know. But those two are from like big brands like Huda Beauty and ColourPop as well, and I did buy them because, you know, the reviews, like beauty gurus recommending me. So of course it's not the beauty guru's fault that I buy it, it's my own fault, because, you know, I was like very easily persuaded. Like I watched some videos and then I was like, oh my god, that's such a pretty color, and then I go buy it. But actually, of course, you have to take into account that first of all, people's eye shape is very different, and of course their face overall is different. You should actually like kind of think about it, like this color will look good on me, because I actually have like some palettes like they are warm colors, because warm colors like warm neutral colors are like super duper in. Like I think, I don't know, like a year ago or something, you know, like everyone's like, oh my god, neutral color palette, oh my god, warm color palette, everything, like literally like bronze brownish color is like super duper in. Everyone is releasing eyeshadow palette with that kind of color scheme, you know, like the Urban Decay Naked, I think that started it. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, those kind of eyeshadow palette, like I did get them. I did get them, and when I try it on my eyes, it just looks so bad. And then when I, you know, follow the tutorial from the influencers, well, I get the result that they get, but it's just that it doesn't look good on my eye at all. Like when I take a look at it, as actually my eye, like my eye and my eye shape, it looks good with only like 1 to 2 colors. So I really don't need an eyeshadow palette. I really just need, like, you know, like one single eyeshadow. So alright, the next one I'm never ever gonna buy is setting powder. So setting powder is something like, I don't know, it's just I mean it's kind of weird, because the idea of them using a setting powder is so that it stays, so it's set, you know, like your makeup set. But actually when I listen to makeup artists talking about setting powder, actually it's not really helping much in terms of making your makeup stay. What actually helps is, you know, your primer, and then the product of makeup that you use, and then maybe your setting spray as well, but not really setting powder, because the makeup artist that I listened to, they said that setting powder is basically, it's going to temporarily make your face look like matte, you know, like no oil and stuff like that. But actually it's it will also oxidize, and then it will also create like oily, like it just doesn't help in making your makeup stay. And if you want it to look matte, then that's a good way, you know, you use a setting powder to look like matte. There's no shine or anything like that, but it's not gonna stay, so you still need like a setting spray, or maybe you have to use a good primer before that. I am not someone who's like into matte kind of look, so I kind of like my makeup to look very as natural as possible, make it look like I have a skin, like a healthy living skin, not like a mannequin or a plastic and stuff like that. So I kind of like a bit of a glow, so I don't really feel like I need setting powder at all. The next one that I'm never ever gonna buy is Pore Primer. So I actually bought it before, and I, of course, you know, I watch beauty gurus, and then they always started their makeup with like the Pore Primer. They fill in all their pore with, you know, like the Benefit Pore Professional and or anything like that, you know, like those kind of gel or pudding kind of stuff that you put, and then it instantly blur your pore. I actually have a big pore, and I thought that I really need that kind of stuff, so that's why I bought one of those like Pore Primer. But apparently, like when I put it on, it looks absolutely weird. It doesn't really like cover your pore. It's basically just kind of like clogging your pores. So in my opinion, that's very unhealthy. One, that's very unhealthy, and second of all, it looks so unnatural, because in my opinion, like, our face is not supposed to look blurred, if that makes sense. Like our natural skin is not blurred, like they do have pores. So I do feel like covering your pore is so unnecessary. I mean, last time I used to think, oh, pore is bad, doesn't look good, so I have to cover it up. Over time, when I take a look at it, I feel like actually pore is not something to be like completely cover or stuff like that, and especially with those kind of stuff, because those kind of stuff is just weird. First of all, like, I tried not only the benefits one, I tried several other brands, so it's not really because of the benefits product. It's basically the whole like pore primer is just not something that is good putting it on your face. And then of course it kind of ruins the makeup as well, because every time that I use like a pore primer, and then after that I put like maybe foundation or stuff like that, it's just I don't know, it's like making it very hard to blend, and it's like there are some patches as well. And then sometimes if I really dig it in, it disrupts the pore primer, and it's a lot of things. So it's just so bad, and I swear I will never ever gonna buy pore primer ever again. Sometimes I do feel like you know, when we do makeup, you don't really have to like cover everything that people say is bad. Not everything that people say bad is bad. Maybe for them it's bad, but maybe for you it's not really that bad, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's I'm starting to like talking randomly like that. Sometimes I do that. So anyway, the next one that I will never ever gonna buy is peeling gel. You know, like those kind of stuff that you, let's say, put it on your skin, and then it shows like you're rubbing it, and then oh, look at that, like some dead skin cells are up there, and then those dead skin cells are like a gray color, like they're dark color, and they make you believe that, wow, you removed the dirt on your skin, when actually no, not really. I'm pretty sure that you guys all know about this, and I'm pretty sure that you guys don't really buy this kind of stuff anymore. It used to be a trend, like I don't know, like many years ago it used to be a trend, but nowadays it's like people are a lot smarter than it used to be, you know. Like you know, we all grow and learn, and we're just not fooled by one of those things anymore. So yeah, those kind of peeling gel is just absolutely madness. And of course, the one that you're peeling is, it might be dead skin cell, but it also might be just the outer layer of your skin, the moisture of your skin, the barrier of your skin. Like you're literally peeling everything away, and it's, of course it's peeling because it's drying your skin. Duh. Yeah, so that's pretty much, I think that's pretty much all my anti-haul. So of course, like in 2020 we have all this pandemic, and then a lot of like makeup companies are kind of quiet down. I mean, like they don't really launch as much product as it used to be. That's just my observation. But of course, like I don't know, maybe I'm just afraid that in 2021, when you know, when we got all the vaccines already, and then we finally can get out, and then makeup starting to be a thing again, and then companies are, you know, launching products after products and after products. I mean, to be honest, I just feel like maybe companies should kind of quiet down a little bit, and not selling, for example, 2 different eyeshadow palette that has only maybe 1 to 2 pans difference. If that makes sense. You feel like maybe these kind of beauty companies, they can kind of quiet down a little bit, maybe just release products that are completely different and for completely different people, and not really releasing product that is like maybe just a tiny bit difference, and say that this is revolutionary and this one is also revolutionary. I mean, and of course I do feel like a lot of a lot of people should be also really think about themselves more. I mean, it's easy to, like, you know, like we watch influencer and then they're talking about, oh, this product is amazing, this is so good, this is all you guys need, when actually, like, maybe a few weeks later they upload another video and say this is something that you need. When you listen to that kind of information and someone say that you need this product, you have to buy this product or something like that, maybe you should think like on for yourself as well, you know, like, do I really need that, or do I really have that kind of issue? Do I really need that kind of product? Or maybe you kind of see that that kind of color, maybe it looks good on you, but does it look good on me? You know, stuff like that. Guys, I'm so sorry, I'm like rambling a lot. I'm actually like really like talking too much. Yeah, so that's basically, again, like I have to say that this is basically really all just my opinion. And of course, like I mentioned all the time, you know, when someone recommends you a product, you have to think for yourself, like, do I really need it? Is it really gonna be useful for me, and stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, I do feel like you don't really have to, you know, spend so much money on skincare, on beauty, on makeup. I mean, sometimes you can splurge, but like, you know, like for example, having 5 different toners, that's just unnecessary spending. I do feel like, you know, maybe maximum probably you need 2 toners. I mean, I can't really think why you would need 2 toners, but I guess some of you guys would need 2 toners. I don't know. Again, that's just an example. Okay, so I'm not saying all these and telling you guys that look at me, I'm such an expert, I already not buying all this stuff. I actually still do, like I still, like, you know, buy a lot of stuff. And then ever since I, you know, stopped using social media, I don't know what's trending anymore, and that's really amazing. That's really doing a lot of great stuff for my wallet. To be honest, you know, like, you know, when we have like Instagram and all that, we see like, oh, this one is trending, oh, this is new product and stuff like that, oh, there is coming product new coming up. So like Instagram is very fast, right? Yeah, so ever since like I deleted my Instagram and Facebook is like I just like, oh what's trending, what like I don't know what's trending anymore, and it's really not doing my skin anything bad. In fact, it's really good because I am finally using products that are consistent, you know, like let's say I like this product so much, I keep using it and it's just consistent for my skin and it's just getting better and better. So I do feel like it's just very unnecessary for me to, like, you know, keep looking at beauty trends and then try to test it or anything like that. I guess on my channel you guys also see that I don't really test products that are like trending because I myself don't know what's trending at the moment. So I basically just review product that, yeah, I was like browsing around the drugstore or the Sephora, and then I thought, oh, this looks interesting, so I bought it and then I tested it, and then I tell you guys, this is really good, or guys, this is really bad. Stuff like that. For me, I kind of just like, well, if I want to make the video, I make the video. Yeah, that's pretty much like how I do things here in my channel. So and of course, like when I recommend you stuff, I also tell you guys like what's the condition that require you to get this product. You know, like for example, if you have acne skin, this product is really good, something like that. Sorry guys, this video is like very long, but I guess I haven't been like chatting in a long time because I don't know, I think the last time that I chat with this in a video is like quite a few months ago. And to be honest, like the lockdown, it's making us not being able to talk to one another, and that's kind of the reason why I'm talking a lot today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're not annoyed by me talking so much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.